Wilder. Hey, buddy. Aren't you cute? Oh my, it's cold out here. I'm just trying to dig out our cars. Let me show you here. I've got another camera recording, but I might as well. Look at how deep that snow is. Okay, I cleared this car off yesterday, and that car, I cleared it off yesterday. I plowed the driveway 3 times yesterday, but I didn't plow in front of the house here. And that snow, look how deep that is. I've been out here for a little while shoveling, and then I'll clear it off and I'll have to shovel it all again. But I thought you guys would want to see what Wilder's up to while I'm working so hard. Meanwhile, there's Wilder. Hello, buddy. And I've shoveled out a path here. I have to shovel far enough away so I can get the plow to plow this, or to get out of here so then I can plow this. And then I got to this car. Can you tell there's a car here? Yeah, there's the taillight. And the snow is even deeper here. Oh, so much to shovel just to get it out. Okay, while I've been shoveling, Wilder's over there playing with a stick, a board. It's really a board. Yeah, he's so cute though. He keeps going. I can't catch him though, because when I record, he knows the camera's on and he stops making that noise. Okay, I made it to the front of the car, and I could only shovel one direction with one arm, so my arm is really, really sore. And I still have a lot more to go. Okay. I shoveled out around the other side of the cars. I should show you. I have another video, but I can show you this way. I made a tunnel there on that side. Yeah. And now I have to do, I think I have to do this side. I might be able to just drive them out. We'll see. We'll see. I gotta plow the driveway first, and I'm gonna try to plow this pile. Back it off somehow. We'll see what I can do. I might have to do some more shoveling after I plow. I always have to do more shoveling after. What are you doing, Wilder? He's so funny. Oh, my battery's dying. Oh. That's a lot of snow, I tell you. Okay, so I got this car out of the snow pile, and now I have to get this car out. And this is something I noticed. It snowed a little bit yesterday, so it snowed 2 days ago. We got so much snow, right? And yesterday I spent time digging a trench here. But the snow is much lower today than it was yesterday, so I don't know if the sunshine, even though it's not hot out here. What are you doing, Wilder? So even though it's not warm enough for things to melt, either the snow is melting, Elisa's theory was that it's compacting, or, you hear? It's evaporating. Anyway, the snow is much lower than it was yesterday, because yesterday, I should have waited to shovel it out until today. It was up to the, yeah, and anyway, it's much shorter, so I'm gonna get this car unstuck too now. It's not stuck, it's just buried. So, Dutch came home and he's cleaning up all the snow here because I'm too timid. I'm afraid of getting stuck. And he was just hung up on the snow there. I came out to help him, but by the time I got out, he was unstuck. So Did I say stuck? Hung up, hung up. He was hung up. But I want to show you, he plowed this road that I was too timid. Timid, that's the word I'm going to use, not afraid. Too timid to plow. Look at this. You can see why I was a little intimidated to plow this section of our road, because this snow is deep. Deep, 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 deep. Isn't it beautiful though? Oh, the snow is so pretty. This is like a big tunnel. I don't know how else to describe it. I mean, there's nothing over the top of it, but it almost feels like a tunnel. Okay, you can see how deep the snow is. Look at that. We got a lot of snow, I'll tell you. We even made the national news, the Upper Peninsula did. Not us in particular. I don't remember, it was over 30 inches of snow. I know we got at least that much, if not more. I'm sure we got more than that. Oh, it's so pretty with the sun shining. Just a gorgeous day, but my hand's getting cold now. Wow, so much snow, just so much. I love how this looks. It's almost like it's gonna cave in here, huh? It's so bright out here though, wow.